Hello everybody, welcome back to Cloudwings Technology. My name is Bahadur and today this is our Kubernetes 0 to Hero course day 3. And in this video, I will teach you how you can set up your own Kubernetes cluster in your local system. Guys, you have many ways to set up your Kubernetes cluster setup. You can go with AWS, Azure, GCP, or you can also set up it in your all Oracle virtual machine. So here we use kind cluster, right? Kind cluster. This is very popular nowadays for your practice. And if you go with Minikube and kubeadm, you will have a lot of headache in order to set up that, right? So the best way is use the kind, right? So you have to install the Docker and then you have to set up the kind. So I will give you complete script. You have to just copy and paste in your system. Then your kind cluster will be ready to use. So you need one virtual machine with Ubuntu operating system in order to set up kind cluster. So you can create your virtual machine on AWS or Azure or GCP or on your own local system. For that, if you want to set up in your local, then you need one virtual Oracle virtual software and also one ISO image of Ubuntu. Then you can set up your own operating system virtual machine in your local system. On that virtual machine, you can install Docker and install kind. So let's see where is the script I have kept. So here you have to go in my GitHub repository, and here you will see inside the repository section, you will see Cloudwings Kubernetes 0 to Hero master course. You have to go inside this, and there is you will get one file, kind setup. In this file, you will see I have written everything that you need in order to set up your cluster. First, you have to install the Docker in your system. So you have to first update, like you have to copy paste like this. First, you have to go inside terminal and let me see, do I have any cluster or not? Okay, it is hanging. Let me go back, and here I have to give the SSH key, and it is hanging. Something went wrong with this. Let me guys go here and let me disconnect it so that it can connect again. Here, yeah. Now I have connected with my Ubuntu operating system, and here I will show you any cluster is available or not. Kind get clusters. So as of now in my system there is no cluster. Now we are going to create one cluster. So first I will update my system or my package manager, right? So sudo yet update. This command is going to update my local system package manager basically. Yes. So after updating, you have to install Docker, and then you have to start the service, and then you have to add your current system user to your Docker group. Then you have to refresh, right? So here I have already installed the Docker. Let me show Docker is running or not. So I have the systemctl. Here I need to give the sudo systemctl status Docker. So here I have already installed Docker and my Docker is up and running. Then I need to install kubectl. So kubectl I have installed. You have to just copy this command one by one and paste into your machine, and then you will get your kubectl. Guys, if you remember, kubectl is used to interact with your control plane, right? So I told you in day 2 there I taught you kubectl is a software which is used to interact with your control plane, right? So if you want to give the instruction to your control plane, right, so that you will be definitely need one kubectl, right? So for that we are going to install this kubectl software, and here is the complete command in order to install the kubectl. I have already installed and I have shown the version. Here I have install v1.29.4 version of this kubectl, and then we need to install the kind. So here also you have to copy paste same as above, and you will then end of this, then you have to see what version you have installed. And I will show you kind hyphen version. Here you can see kind version. That means everything is working and up and running. Now we need to create the cluster. Guys, here one very important step, that is step 4. Guys, everybody you have to skip this step 4, because when we learn about the ingress, and there I will explain why you skip this step, and then that time we will implement this step. So as of now you have to skip this, and instead of firing this fire this command, you have to fire this command, right? So I will fire this because I'm set up in my multi-node cluster setup, right? But you have to create this command, right? Only. So here you have to copy and paste. This will take 1 or 2 minutes in order to set up your cluster. So yes, it is creating the cluster. So first it is ensuring the image, then it is preparing nodes, number of nodes. It is 3 nodes it's going to create. Then it is writing the configuration file, and it is going to start the control plane. So it will take some time. Yeah, it is going to install, and it is getting ready, guys. Just a minute, it will be ready to use. So now it is joining the worker node. So in your case, this line will be skipped, right? And you will get like that. So you will get one message, have a nice day, right? And now you have to check, is it everything okay or not? So for that you can copy this command from here and paste, and you will get the information of your cluster. Then also you can use kubectl get all, means your cluster is there, and also you can see nodes, number of nodes is 3. How many nodes? 3. So your control node is there and 2 worker nodes are there, right? Maybe in your case you will get only the control plane. Okay, so guys, your cluster is ready. Now you are ready to practice. So we will, during this course we will use this lab, guys, only, right? And when we do the project, there we will use cloud, guys. So if you like today's video and you understood my explanation, please like the video. And if you want to master of the Kubernetes, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification. Thank you for watching.